Let's take one more problem. Here we want to display the pattern 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, and 5. Again, I'm going to divide this problem or the pattern into rows and columns. This time I'm going to go for row is 1, row is 2, row is 3, row is 4, and row is 5. Column 5, column 4, column 3, column 2, and column 1. There is no hard and fast rule saying this is row 1 and this is row 5, or this is column 5 and this is column 1. It's going to come by practice. It is so you can give it whatever you feel comfortable with, and you have to modify your code whenever you can. And there is no hard rule saying that you only have to use this, or how do I know which one to use when? That only comes by practice. So the more problems you practice, the better you're going to get with that. Okay. So to write this code, I'm going to go from row 1 to 5. Therefore, my loop goes from row is 1, row less than or equals to 5, row plus plus. Now for my inner loop, I'm going to go for column equals to 5, column greater than or equals to row, column minus minus. We know that in row 1 we need to access 5 columns. In row 2 you need to access 4 columns. Row 3 takes 3 columns, row 4 takes 2 columns, and row 5 is just 1 column. And within this loop I'm going to write printf %d comma column. Printf new line. Exit. Let's see how this works. We know that we are going from rows 1 to 5. Therefore, you have row equals to 1, row equals to 2, row equals to 3, row equals to 4, and row equals to 5. Okay. Now when row is equals to 1, the condition passes. You go inside the outer loop where you have another loop. Your column goes from 5 all the way up to 1 in steps of 1. So you can access column 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Therefore, you have column equals to 5, column equals to 4, column equals to 3, column equals to 2, and column equals to 1. And you are printing the value of column. It's going to print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your inner loop is going to fail for the sixth iteration. Therefore, you print a new line or go to the new line. Row is incremented. Row goes to 2. The condition passes again. You go inside the outer loop where you encounter another loop. Now here column goes from 5 all the way up to row, and the current value of row is 2. So you have 4 columns you can access. That is column equals to 5, column equals to 4, column equals to 3, and column equals to 2. Display the value of column for every iteration of the inner loop, and then print a new line. Next, when row is 3, you can access 3 columns, that is column 5, column 4, and column 3. Display the value of column and go to the new line, and consecutively display 5, 4, and then 5, and then exit the program here.